Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope everyone's doing awesome. Welcome to my bathroom setup. In today's video, I will be sharing my realistic shower routine. Honestly, I've been wanting to film this video for the longest now and I have no clue what I was waiting for. And actually, today's video is very spontaneous. I was about to take shower and do a few steps before I actually take shower, and I thought why not film it, show you guys what I like to do, and maybe along the way I can share a few product recommendations, products that I genuinely love using for my body care and hair care. I hope you guys enjoy and let's begin. Okay, so I'll start with hair care. Today is actually my hair wash day. I wash my hair twice a week, every Wednesday and Sunday. वेडनेसडे संडे तो मेरा फिक्स्ड है, सो इट हेल्प्स मी कीप ट्रैक कि मुझे कब हेयर वॉश करना है एंड कब नहीं. इट्स अ ग्रेट टिप इफ़ यू आर ऑलवेज कंफ्यूज कि मैंने बाल कब धोए थे कब नहीं धोए थे, बिकॉज it used to happen with me a lot. I used to get confused कि मैंने कब बाल धोए थे, and I used to end up washing my hair every second day, which is not really good for your scalp and your hair even. So it's really nice to fix your days कब आपको hair wash करना है कब नहीं. So you may know दीदी की शादी हुई थी अभी मार्च में, and because of that I colored my hair. So this time I wanted to go a bit light than my actual hair color. So उसके लिए they had to do pre-lights. So pre-lights का मतलब होता है कि खूब सारा ब्लीच लगाते हैं आपके नेचुरल हेयर पे कि नेचुरल हेयर का कलर फेड हो सके एंड उसके ऊपर हम दूसरा लाइट कलर चढ़ा सके. आई डिड नॉट नो दैट माई हेयर विल बिकम सो ड्राई एंड फ्रीजी. यू कैन tell yourself like how dead my hair looks. This is not happening with me, it happened with mama also, because mama ने भी pre light कराया and उनके lens बहुत ज़्यादा dry हो चुके हैं. Only solution to make my hair look better is to apply hair oil every time I shampoo. I'm very particular कि मैं कौन सा hair oil use करूँ. For example, whenever I use castor oil, मेरे बाल नेक्स्ट डे ही ऑयली होना शुरू हो जाते हैं, विच इज़ वेरी अनोइंग एंड ग्रोस. आई डोंट वॉन्ट माई स्कैल्प टू लुक ग्रीसी द नेक्स्ट डे, सो आई एम वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट हेयर ऑयल्स इन जनरल. आई हैव बिन यूजिंग these Brillare hair shots. I was introduced to this brand last year. I've already finished 2 boxes of this. This will be my third one. What makes me like this product so much is that first of all, the concept and the packaging is just so unique. I have never seen such a product. It just makes the entire process of applying hair oil so much enjoyable in comparison to applying regular hair oil. So Brillare offers different types of oil shots according to different hair concerns. For example, this one right here, it is their hair fall control oil shots. They also have heavy moisturizing booster oil shots, and lastly they also have this dandruff control oil shots. So according to your hair concern, you can choose any. Today I'll be using their heavy moisturizing booster oil shots because it has argan, shea butter and soya bean in very light coconut based oil. Also, this product has no color, paraben, mineral oil, petroleum wax, and it is cruelty free, so that is a yay. Okay, now I'll quickly open this product, show you guys how it looks from the inside. This is how the products look like. They come in this tiny hair shots bottle. Open the cap of these oil shots and attach the dropper that it comes with. Then start applying it on your scalp and lens as well. I don't personally like leaving hair oil overnight. I feel my hair fall increases 10 times. So the trick that has been really working out for me is to apply my hair oil 45 minutes before I wash it off. By using this dropper, you can totally target specific areas. Make sure to massage the hair oil very gently into your scalp, and later on I made a braid, which I usually do whenever I apply oil. Meanwhile, this oil is sitting on my hair for about 45 minutes or so. I will wash my face using my favorite simple refreshing facial wash. This is my all-time favorite facial wash. You guys know it already. If you guys want to shop this, I will link the product in the description box below, and then I will wash it off. Next, I will be using the Huda Beauty Wishful Yo Glow to get rid of any dead skin cells that I have on my skin. Before I hop into my shower, I like to light a candle and play some cafe ambience music. It just relaxes my mood and it creates a very nice soothing environment. I will first start off by washing my hair using the L'Oreal Density Advance. This product I use very occasionally, only when I apply hair oil, because this particular shampoo helps me in getting rid of all the oils that I have on my hair, and I only use this product for my scalp and not for the length of my hair. After washing it off, I will be using the L'Oreal Dream Length shampoo for the length of my hair, and थोड़ा बहुत मैं scalp पे लगा लेती हूँ अगर थोड़ा सा oil छूट गया है scalp में, I use it for that. But usually I only use this product for the length of my hair, and follow up with the Dream Length conditioner, which I will only apply on my length and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I will scrub my body using the M Caffeine Coffee Body Scrub. I will take a little bit of this and only scrub the areas where I feel I am very dry and वहाँ पे ज़्यादा dead skin है. For example, my elbows, my legs, my feet. These are the areas जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा dead skin accumulate होती है, and I need a scrub that will help me get rid of all the dead skin cells, and this definitely helps me with that. For the rest of my body, I love using the Body Shop Almond Milk and Honey Body Scrub because it is क्रीम बेस्ड एंड ये आपकी स्किन को ड्राई नहीं करेगा. इट इज़ वेरी माइल्ड एंड इट लीव्स योर स्किन बेबी सॉफ्ट. Next, I will wash off the hair conditioner that I have on my hair. Make sure there's no hair conditioner left on your hair because it may cause intense hair fall. Now for body wash, I have these two products that I have been using currently. One, it is from Body Shop, and the other one, it is from Mario Badescu. These two are my favorite. The Bath and Body Works one, it's really nice. It's very creamy. It will leave your body very moisturized. I'll use a loofah to scrub my body, and make sure to scrub your underarms really well, especially during summers. Right after shower, first I will do my facial skincare. So I will start with this facial rose water mist by Forest Essential. You can use whatever rose water you like. Basically सारे rose water एक जैसे ही लगता है मुझे. I'll give this a shake and then spritz it all over my face. I will lightly pat the product into my skin. Next, I will use my Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. So here, don't get confused by night repair. You can even use this during the day before applying your moisturizer, and always follow up with a sunscreen. You can see the directions if you want to. I just took half a pump of this, and now I'm going to press this into my skin really well. It is this Mario Badescu Buttermilk Moisturizer, and it feels amazing on the skin. Also, the color of this, it's blue and it looks very interesting, looks very nice. I've also been using the Nutriderm moisturizer. It is really good, but today I felt like using the Mario Badescu one to further moisturize my skin. This is an additional step that I have been currently doing. जब से लॉकडाउन स्टार्ट हुआ है, वैसे मैं करती नहीं थी, बट बिकॉज आई एम स्टेइंग इंडोर्स आई कैन टेक एक्स्ट्रा केयर ऑफ माई स्किन. आई डोंट हैव एक्सेस एक्सपोजर ऑफ द सन, सो आई कैन डू दिस स्टेप. बट इफ यू गो आउट वेरी frequently, you can skip this step. I have been obsessed with the Earth Rhythm Glow Drops. This is a brightening serum, and I don't know if you can tell, but ये almost खत्म होने वाला है, इतना सा ही बचा है, and it is just so freaking good. It is very lightweight, so I like to take about 2 pumps of this, and I'll press that really well. See how moisturized and glowy my skin looks? This is exactly what I love. And lastly, don't forget your sunscreen. Nowadays, I've been using the Face Shop No Shine Sun Primer Sunscreen. This is SPF 50. This is actually a really nice sunscreen, but my favorite should be the Acrylic Silicone Gel SPF 50. It is one of the best sunscreens I have ever used. I will link that product in the description box below, so make sure to check that out and apply it on my skin. So इनिशियली ये हल्का सा वाइट कास्ट देता है, आई वोंट डिनाई, देता है ये हल्का सा वाइट कास्ट, बट वंस यू स्टार्ट मसाजिंग द प्रोडक्ट इन to your skin, it disappears. So it disappears within seconds. So don't worry, ऐसा नहीं है कि घंटों घंटों तक white cast रहेगा. Once you start massaging it, it literally disappears. Last step, I'll apply a thick layer of lip balm. This one is the Mario Badescu lip balm, and I absolutely love this. Now for hair care, I'll just take off this towel and apply my favorite hair serum, which is the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Hair Serum. So I will apply about 2 pumps of this. The best part about this serum is that it is non-sticky, and you can use this serum in so many different ways. You can use this as an overnight treatment, एक hair mask की तरह. You can use it as a serum, even use it as a heat protectant. I have done a dedicated video on this where I have explained everything in depth. So if you want to know more about this product, I would highly recommend you all to go ahead and watch that video for some more knowledge. Now that I have applied the serum evenly all over my hair, I am ready for my body care. If you have extremely dry skin, and when I say extremely dry skin, I mean Sahara Desert dry skin, and nothing is working out for you, Vaseline try कर लिया, Nivea try कर लिया, दुनिया भर के body lotion try कर लिया, and nothing is working out for you, प्लीज़ गिव दिस अ ट्राई. दिस इज़ ग्लिसरीन नींबू. ये मैंने घर पे बनाया है, एंड मैंने इसे जॉनसन्स बेबी ऑयल की बॉटल में डाल रखा है. सिंपली गो अहेड, ग्लिसरीन खरीदो मार्केट से, एंड उसमें नींबू निचोड़ कर अच्छे से इसको मिक्स कर लो और नहाने के बाद अपने बॉडी पे लगाओ. फर्स्ट डे खुजली होगी, हल्की जलन भी हो सकती है, बिकॉज इट विल बी हीलिंग योर स्किन. आपकी स्किन इतनी ज़्यादा ड्राई है कि वो नींबू ना किच 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 करेगा, बट just don't worry about it. And if you continuously start using this, skin will thank you, like literally thank you. Highly recommend you all to try this out. Very inexpensive, perfect, एक बढ़िया सा home remedy है that everyone should try once in their life if you have dry skin. अभी मेरी बॉडी की स्किन इतनी ज़्यादा ड्राई नहीं है, इट्स जस्ट मेरी लेग्स की स्किन कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ही ड्राई है, जो मुझे समझ नहीं आता क्यों. एंड जस्ट ओनली अप्लाई दिस ऑन माई लेग्स. फॉर माई बॉडी लोशन आई विल बी यूजिंग दिस Nivea बॉडी मिल्क 48 आवर इंटेंसिव मॉइस्चर केयर. यू कैन क्लियरली सी, मतलब ख़त्म कर चुकी हूँ मैं, बहुत यूज़ करती हूँ. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव Nivea का बॉडी लोशन, इवन वैसलीन का येलो वाला बॉडी लोशन. I love that. So I will apply this all over my body. I cannot live without applying lotion all over my body. Also make sure to take good care of your shoulders and chest area, because ये सबसे ज़्यादा expose होता है आपके बाकी body parts के comparison में. On top, I will be using this Bath and Body Works 1000 Wishes body cream. So the consistency of a body cream is much thicker in comparison to a body lotion. जितना ज़्यादा thick consistency, उतनी देर तक आपकी skin moisturized रहेगी. एक तो इसकी consistency thick है, मेरी body को काफ़ी अच्छे से moisturize करते हैं. And lastly, it smells beautiful. एकदम feminine, girly सी smell है. You would expect some rich bougie lady applying this all over their body. I don't apply this all over my body because Bath and Body Works, it is a bit expensive, let's be real. Instead, I only apply it around my chest area, my arms, my back, जहाँ से मुझे खुशबू आएगी. For example, if I apply this on my chest area and shoulders, पूरा दिन मेरे से खुशबू आएगी, because this is the closest area to my nose. I will also apply this on my arms. I am a little confused when it comes to using good products. I don't know, I've been like this बचपन से, that मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा यूज़ करती हूँ अच्छे products को कि लंबे टाइम तक मैं चला सकूँ. Even though I can afford it, but it's just something psychologically like कुछ दिक्कत है मेरे साथ, like है. And that is it for my shower routine, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, you know what to do. Share this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.